To make a transcript, once your media is inside Premiere, you can click on the file you want and you want to drag it to this new item button. This will create a new sequence with this file name, which is important for saving your transcript so that the file name of the transcript is the same as the file name of the source video. So we'll click and drag it to new item, creates a new sequence, and now we'll open up the text window. If you don't have that, you can go to Window and Text, and then you click Transcribe. This will process in a couple minutes or less. I have another one here that's already been done. So now that we have the transcript, we can click the three dots in the top right and hover over export. Don't click it because it doesn't open. So just hover over it and then click on export to text file. This will give us a save box. We'll just put this in our downloads for right now. And you'll see it has the same file name. And at the end, we just add transcript. And we will save that. If we open up a File Explorer window, Downloads, and here's our transcript file. We open it, and here is our transcript with our timestamps. This file here you can give to the producer or reporter.